Hi, I'm Sierra Elise, and this is In My Own Little Corner from Roger and Hammerstein's Cinderella.
I'm as mild and as meek as a mouse. When I hear a command, I obey. But I know of a spot in my house where no one can stand in my way. In my own little corner, in my own little chair, I can be whatever I want to be. On the wing of my fancy, I can fly anywhere, and the world will open its arms to me. I'm a young Norwegian princess or a real queen. I'm the greatest prima donna in Milan. I'm an heiress who has always had her silks made by her own flock of silkworms in Japan. I'm a girl with no mad for love's a game. I can play with a cool and confident kind of air. Just as long as I stay in my own little corner, all alone in my own little chair. I can be whatever I want to be. I'm a slave in Calcutta, I'm a queen in Peru, I'm a mermaid dancing upon the sea. I'm a huntress on an African safari. It's a dangerous type of sport, and yet it's fun. In the night I sally forth to seek my quarry, and I find I forgot to bring my gun. I am lost in the jungle, I'm alone and unarmed when I meet a lioness in her den.